I'm starting up Windows 95. I just got the computer. This weird mouse thing is here. So I don't know what's up with that. So here it is. Um, Not really a Windows 95 type of design, but it says here Microsoft Windows 95 with the nostalgic logo. Oh, nostalgic logo. And I think it's loading up. Okay. So the mouse works. It's still loading all the stuff in the taskbar and all that. Just have to give it a moment. There it is. Here we go. So it'll greet you with this. You can read it. It will just help you set up your computer. And 3:05 p.m. I don't think it. Wait. Thursday, January 20th, 2021. Okay, so it's accurate. So you'll start off with 4 things, What if I just take this and put it here? No, that's a bad idea. Don't do that, guys. Don't be that person. Okay, so my computer will just give you all the files and stuff. So like this. Just cool things. Ooh, telephone. Telephone. Yo, it says telephone. That's sick. All right. The inbox. But before you can access the internet, you have to do this. So you have to click on this and click on OK. But if I do that, I don't feel like doing that. I don't feel like doing that right now. Or you click on this. Set up the Microsoft network. And okay, now I want y'all to see this. 30 megabytes. Computers nowadays have like, I don't know, lots of numbers of, no. 30 megabytes was actually a lot back then in 1995. But today, we have like what, 50 terabytes? I don't know. Okay, so you click on this start button, and it'll show you all this stuff. Programs, MS-DOS, Windows Explorer, startup, accessories, online registration, system tools. So to scan the disk, so, you just open up your disk thing right here to scan it or whatever. And then there's a notepad just for writing stuff down. Like, hello world. You can exit. No, don't save. And yeah, there's cool stuff. So, what does run do? Oh, well, I have no idea how to do that. Programs. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna try find something. There's pre-installed games on here. I just know it. But I can't find it. Windows. I'm guessing it's in this file. I'm not sure. Maybe it's... who knows? Mouse. What is this? Oh. To be honest, I never used Windows 95 before, but I've watched tons of videos on it, so I don't exactly know everything. Control panel. Okay, let me talk to you about the control panel. So this thing will help you customize your computer, for the system, the sound, your modem, the display, the mouse, the keyboard, basically almost everything on here. So you can change the fonts, the network, passwords, multimedia, all that stuff. So I can change the mouse if I click on here. Just give it a moment. Okay, so left-handed is basically that. Double click speed, what is this? Oh, okay. Pointers. These are the pointers. These what they mean. Kind of cool. Okay, motion. You can do this. Watch this. Pointer tails. Isn't that cool? Or just the general stuff. Okay. Pretty cool things. You can change the display as well. So this is what it's currently showing. This is how you change the wallpaper. You can do this, that, bubbles, I guess. Circles. Oh, pattern. Aha. This is how you change the old wallpaper. Cobblestones, Colosseums, daisies. Let's try cobblestones. Actually, let's do that. Click on OK. And there you go. Oh, that actually looks kind of weird. I'm gonna change it back to normal. Okay. So, same thing. If you want to change it back to normal, just go all the way to the top, click on none, click OK. I'm pretty sure you have to click apply, but it works otherwise. I don't have a printer. Okay. There's not really anything else. I'm trying to find. Who knows? Who knows where they could be? Anyway, let me show you MS-DOS prompt. So I have no idea how to do this, but you type certain stuff and it'll show you certain things and stuff like that. So yeah, I have no idea how to do this. So can I exit? Thank you. I could try doing this. Setting up the Microsoft network so I can go on the internet. So yes. Well, nothing's happening, so oh, it's laggy. Okay. So it shows this. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. Probably maybe 5 years. I'm sorry this video is so long. Stupid. Okay, well, that sucks. Well, I don't really know what else to show you, but other than that, I'll make another video if I find more things, and I can just show you. Oh. I'll just, you know what, cancel. Just cancel. Come on. I'll just show you all what other stuff I can find. And the thing, oh my god. Stop. Okay, yeah. So, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Let me just shut this down. Shut down. Yes. Click on yes. Thank you. Creepy stuff. And then you click on escape. And boom. Wow, we're back at Windows 10. Cool. So, this is actually called PCJS Machines. Pretty cool website. You can test like Microsoft Windows 2.0, 3.0, 3.1, Windows 95, 1.1 on EGA, Premier Edition, 1.1 on CGA, Microsoft. Whoa, Microsoft Word? In 1984? Hold up. I honestly want to see what this looks like. Beeping noises. What is this? Ah. So this was Microsoft Word back then. Okay, do I just... Wow. You know what? It looks a lot different than today. Command. Alpha, copy, delete, format, gallery. Okay. Let's try library. Press enter. Nothing. Okay. Well, I don't know how to do this. Anyway, yeah, I gotta go. See y'all.